Welcome to Spring LIB.
We're told the farmer in exercise 18 wants to enclose 8,000 square feet of land, and we're asked to find what dimensions will minimize the cost of the fence. Recall in exercise 18, we're told that the cost of fencing was $20 per foot. There was no fencing required for the side shared by the barn. And the cost of the fencing shared by the neighbor was split in half.
That's funny. He just stole it. Good for him. Yeah. That's a good idea. Yeah. And then I think it was like Joe Robinson or someone that like reached out to him and they were like, dude, that was hilarious. It was like, you should come on a podcast and talk about it. And they just like gave all this information.
So we'll let the length of the north side of the plot be X. And we'll let the length of the west side of the plot be Y.
Also, what is a fucking thing? What is a mic cost? They're not cheap, dude. How much was this mic? $100? Easily.
Then we have that to enclose 8,000 square feet of land, X times Y is equal to 8,000. The cost of the fence as a function of X and Y, C of XY, this is 20 times X plus 20 times Y plus 10 times Y for the side shared with the neighbor, which is 20x plus 30y. And therefore, as a function of x, we have c of x is 20x plus 30 times 8,000 over x, which is 20x plus 240,000 over x. Now, in order to minimize the cost of the fence, I'm going to need to take the derivative and find critical values. So c prime of x, this is 20 minus 240,000 over x squared. To find critical values, we want to set this equal to 0. So we have that x squared is equal to 20 over 240,000, or sorry, 240,000 over 20, which is 12,000. And therefore, x is the square root of 12,000, which is approximately 109.54. Now, we have the second derivative, c double prime of x. This is negative, well, I guess this is positive 480,000 over x cubed, which we see, of course, is greater than 0 for x greater than 0, which is true for our domain. Therefore, it follows that our cost, c, has an absolute minimum at the critical value x equals 109.54 about. So it follows that dimensions that minimize, well, we can find y, which is 8,000 over approximately 109.54, which is about 73.03. So the dimensions are approximately 109.54
I just want to know why is that okay?
And this is in feet, and y is 73.03, also in feet.